Using cell phones for instructional technology and distance education, Part 2. How does live audience polling work? First, the user would select a web-based service such as pollanywhere.com, also known as polleverywhere.com, or polldaddy.com. Then the user would create a set of multiple choice or free response questions. Free response questions would require the participants to key in their response as opposed to selecting an objective choice. The user would then display the poll using PowerPoint software or Keynote through a digital projector, or post the link to the poll in email or on a website. Participants would then register their responses through texting with the use of their cell phone, and the results would be displayed in graphic form, showing which proportion of the audience chose which objective choice, or showing their free response in a scrolling marquee fashion. Here's a mock-up of a PowerPoint slide showing one of the multiple choice polls. What is your favorite color? The respondents would start a new text message on their cell phone. The recipient would be at the code, the 5-digit code shown at the top. And should they choose blue, they would key in 72673 in the message area and then hit send. In a few seconds after the full response is transmitted, a bar graph would display the results. What are the advantages of live audience polling? Well, it replaces expensive audience response hardware and software. Turning Point Technologies, for example, which comes with its own software and personal response remotes, can cost in excess of $3,000 for one classroom set. Live audience polling is also readily done through devices that most people have on their persons, such as cell phones, even iPads, even through a Twitter account. And it's very compatible in that it works internationally. Some disadvantages are the fact that some users could be charged for texting. For use of audiences greater than 30, a fee would be incurred. And, of course, the success is always dependent upon the strength of the user's various cellular networks. What are some users saying about it? An indispensable formative assessment tool enabling the teacher, instructor, or trainer to evaluate mastery throughout the instructional process, not just the end. Poll really shines when you're presenting to an audience because it keeps the audience engaged. Thank you for listening to part 2 of this video. After you have finished, please advance to the assessment.